Hey guys, this is Abhishek from AI with Abhishek, and today we are going to tell you how you can restore your old photos, make them new, convert them into digital format, or you can upscale any of your old photo which is not of good resolution into high resolution photos. For example, I have this image over there which is my image, and this is a very pixelated old image which I'm going to upscale with AI. Another image I have is another one which is a physical photo of which has been scanned, and this has a lot of flaws over there which you can see. I'm going to fix both of these photos with AI tools. I have two AI tools. The first one is called the photorestore.io and the second one is from AI is, and this one is called AI photo restoration. So let's first of all try this one, restore photos for free. This tool does not require you to log in, so you can use it without login as well. And over here I can see that I have the image over there which I'm going to restore. So I've uploaded this image here. Let me enhance it and colorize it. These two toggles are already checked. Let me click on generate. For the second photo I'm going to use this tool which is going to upscale my photo which I have downloaded here. You can see this is my photo which is a pixelated one and it is a small size photo. It is going to upscale this photo. Let's see. Let's go over here. As this tool is free, so it does take some time, a couple of seconds, and then after it will restore that photo, colorize it. Let's see. Okay, this tool has already done its effect. You can see this is the pixelated photo and this is a real good photo which I can download for free. So I've downloaded this photo. You can see it is definitely better, good for social media posting. It has fixed my hair, it has fixed my face features, and let's go over there and see what this one is actually capable of doing. So this is AI Ace. A lot of free AI tools are available on this website. We are using the photo restoration AI tool right now. Normally this tool takes like around a minute, and as you can see, I can see that the photo I uploaded was like this, whereas the result is like this, which is actually very good, and I can download this for free as well. This one has also been downloaded and you can see the image is much better. It may not be perfect, but the image is better. The nose here is not that perfect, but still this is actually very good for your old photos which you might have. So this is all we have. Thanks for watching. Follow for more.